How to unsave post on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unsave post on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and click on your profile here, and now just go down until you find the post you save it and click these 3 points here, and let's save this post, and then let's unsave it. Just click here and click unsave, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.